Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can enable or turn on browser notifications on ClickUp. For example, if you'd like to get notified on Google Chrome or any other web browser you're using and accessing ClickUp through, whenever a team member, for example, submits a new work or whenever there's an update on a project of yours. So what you want to do, guys, here in your ClickUp workspace is the following. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner. And after that, head over to the notification settings here. And here, guys, you will see all notifications listed below, like inbox, email, mobile, and browser. Mobile, as well as email and inbox notifications are usually enabled on default. But you may, for example, enable these for browser notifications here in Google Chrome. As you can see, they are currently disabled. So click on enable here. After that, give Google Chrome the permission, or give ClickUp the permission, to send you notifications via Google Chrome. So let me click on allow here temporarily, and that is going to enable these browser notifications. You will see that by that icon here next to the URL or site address. And if you don't want to receive them anymore, guys, simply click on that arrow down icon here and disable notifications by clicking on that button, and that is going to disable these browser notifications on Google Chrome. Now that's how we do it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.